Hey everybody, it's your girl, Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here with our lesson 10 of the Roller Skate to Liberate month of learning all about human trafficking and also how to skate. So what we're going to be learning today is kind of tying some of the stuff that we've been learning together, and we are going to do what is called the tightrope. So you can walk the tightrope forwards and backwards, and we're going to start forward. So what you're going to do, standing, stationary, or still, with your knees a little bent and soft, you're going to pick up your right foot, place it in front of your left foot, and you're not going to move, you're not going to roll. You're going to take your left foot and you're going to place it in front of your right foot, directly in front of it. So if I could, which I am right now, my heel is touching my toe, and I'm going to keep doing that same movement. Again, it's called a tightrope, so use your arms just like you see in the circus when people are walking the tightrope, and try to use your edges. You see I'm rolling a little bit. It is a little windy here, of course, but I'm just going to walk the tightrope up, and then you can do the very same thing walking the tightrope back. So when I go back, I'm comfortable with this. I find my heel with the tip of my toe because I don't have toe stops. But for you, you can just make sure that you're taking a step behind, and that's walking the tightrope backwards. And then we'll do it walking it to the front again, just so you can see how I'm picking one foot up, placing it directly in front of the other. I'm trying not to roll, or just rolling minimally, like I'm not rolling all over the place, and that could take time. So that may take a few different tries of, walking very slowly while you are trying to maintain that balance. So you see my backwards tightrope, and it is very tricky, but I'll tell you, it will really, again, help you work on your balance, like spatial distance between your skates. So like, it'll help you get comfortable with your skates kind of touching, because once you get super comfortable doing this, you can walk the tightrope, walk it back, back. So walk the tightrope back, while I'm, again, moving very minimally, and it helps to kind of like back my heel up to my toe. That actually helps. So it's getting windy again, and there's your tightrope. I hope you guys have fun. Remember, take your time, do one step at a time, and have fun with that one, guys. Have a great day, keep rolling, and don't forget to check out Roller Skate to Liberate.